Hello guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to go through my trade of the day, which is Euro New Zealand. So this trade was kind of a bit different than the usual break and retest that I do, but it's the same concept, just that I took the trade later than I do usually when it breaks up. So I'm going to go through it and tell you some details on why I took it. So first of all, let's go to the 4 hour just to show you something. When you go to the 4 hour, you see all these candles on the left and see how many times this got rejected. See, these are all 4 hour candles, and it's been more than a day that it's been rejecting this level. So what happened here, this 4 hour candle dropped hard and came all the way down. So this was a consolidation box. And when we go on the 1 hour, we're going to see. But also on the 4 hour, you can see clearly how this created this kind of range that couldn't break on either side. So after all this consolidation, price got rejected from resistance here, got rejected from the last time and went all the way down. So if you look left, you can see that this candle here closed below the support. And you all know what happens after a breakout. We have a retest. So price came for a retest on the 4 hour and closed below the zone. But I wasn't here in that moment to take the trade here. So what happened later is I came to the charts and I saw the 1 hour. I saw that on the 1 hour we're having a few rejections. So on the 1 hour, it happened a small fake out, but it was only a retest on the 4 hour. So not a very good fake out. So we can say we could have taken buys here so price could continue up, but it was only a 4 hour retest. So what happened after this, price came all the way down and closed back in the range or below the support. So for me, this was the breakout, this bearish candle. So after this, we need a retest, right? So price came all the way up again to make a retest, but I wasn't here to take the trade. So when I went to the charts, this candle was around here. So for me, it felt a bit risky to take it because we had a lot of rejections here, and I said uh, maybe it can break out and go all the way up. But instead, I waited for this to reject, and when it came here, it was already about to turn bearish. I said, okay, I'm going to take the trade down, and my stop loss is going to be above this wick, which was around 10 pips and very small risks, it means. So I looked on the left and saw where I can have my target. So the target was very clear. We had this wick to fill here, and there was no such big traffic. So it was clean traffic to drop all the way down here. My first take profit was 10 pips because my stop loss was only 10 pips. So I went 1-to-1 risk reward, and after 10 pips, I secured some of profits. I put my stop at break even and left some run. So even now I have some running because maybe it can go even lower. So you never know. I left 20% running, and we're gonna see how far this can go. So yeah, this was everything for me. Some of the reasons why I took this trade.